Hello, people. Well, it's a Monday. I think it's a Monday. Anyway, yeah, it is a Monday. And our project. Well, I broke the tip off here. This saying it had a clamp on there by overtightening, strain, whatever. No biggie, right? Because that's what I did. Drill like in town. Got these little quarter-inch bolts along, and a washer and nut. What I did, I'm here in North California, and so right here, see I marked different settings on here. So what I did, see if I got the wind. There you go. I drilled a hole here, and then that way I covered that away and that away. One hole. And then I turned the pipe around and did a 90-degree angle that way and that way. That way you have like north, east, south, and west. And then I drilled another hole right below it, and I covered, south, west, northwest, and anyway, 8 points of the compass. So that's what I did. Easy fix. Now I can continue on. I did all this so I could have, better internet service no matter where I go. If I do get internet service at all. That's one of the things I do.